Hi, so I was requested to do a tutorial on how to add a sound to a video, and I'm here to show people who don't know. If you do know how to do it, you go to if you do know how to add sounds to your videos, then you don't have to watch this. This is just for people who don't know. So first, you go to YouTube and you search. Well, this person requested me to search a certain sound. So then you click the audio you want. I use this one for the wolf growling. I don't know, it's just the best one to me. You click share. You click copy link. Then you will go to YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, Google. I'm an idiot. You will go to Flipto. Now, be warned, some inappropriate ads will pop up on Flipto, but don't mind them. That's something that just usually happens. Just immediately click off of them because they look, they're questionable. Okay. You'll see what I mean in a second. Just X them out. Hold on a sec. There's also going to be annoying ads like this. Good. No, quit. Oh. Okay, good thing they're not here this time, because usually it'll send incredibly inappropriate ads to you. Hold on, I have to do it again. Okay, so then it'll say downloading file, and you don't have to stay in Google, you just gotta wait for this thing to download. So you can go to home, and then you go to KineMaster, or I presume this should work with your other video editing things, but I'm not sure because I've only ever used KineMaster. By the way, it's 3 a.m. and I'm sick, so sorry if I'm talking so lightly and if it's hard to hear me. So, yeah, you go to KineMaster, and you make a video. I'll just put one of these things. Okay. And then you go to audio and you find your thing. I already had this audio, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. And there you go. So that's how you upload a sound to your videos. This method also works with music. So if you want to search music on YouTube and then add it to a video, then that's how you do it also. So I hope this was helpful. Okay, bye guys. If you need more tutorials, you can tell me.